Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Stick him, Sammy.
No, thumb.
Thumb.
Don't anybody go yet.
Come in.
Are we ready?
Are we ready?
Logan
Grandma Linda's in charge. Girls first. Girls first. Girls first. Oh, Logan? Give me 5. Come on, go get some eggs. Oh, and then there's the little one.
Very good, Carly. Boys. Hey, boys.
It's okay. I gotta see that. I'm not gonna stand in here. I gotta
Remember, watch an egg. You missed one.
Is there more?
Show Trey what you got.
Oh, yeah. Mmm. Dinner was good.
I'm in charge of the dog.
Hey, there's more people out here. Happy Easter. Mmm, good dinner. Good salad. Desserts. That's sexy.
Hang on one second. Happy